Hi everyone, my name is Shalman and I'm from the Ratio.City product team. If you are an avid user of our platform, you may have seen that we've recently added frontages and depths to the parcel layers in many cities, including Toronto, London, Mississauga, St. John, Oshawa, and more. You can of course see this data in the map pop-ups when you click it on the map, and it will also show up in your location summaries and parcel reports. The extra cool part is that you can now also use frontages and depths as filters in the locate tool. I'm going to show you this right now. I've got a search going here in Toronto. I'm going to build it out with you. First, I'm specifically looking for parcels that are beside avenues, so let's add that filter. I'm also going to filter on land use categories. Basically, I just want to select all here and then exclude parks and open spaces because we don't want to build on those. I would also like proximity to transit, so I'm going to set up my filter for that. You can choose to adjust the transit agency options and stuff if you like. I'm just going to keep all of them. I want 500 meters proximity. And finally, I'm going to add my parcel depth filter. You can use greater or less than for this, and we also have an in-between option. Let's do between 50 and 80 meters parcel depth, and we can run the search. In this case, we've got 27 parcels here that match our criteria. You can sort the results by parcel area as well as depth, and you can export these as a CSV if you want to do more in-depth work and calculations in Excel. If you have an idea for a search that you want to run that's maybe kind of like what we've built together here, but you're not sure how to do it, please feel free to reach out to our team. We are more than happy to help. I hope you go forth and do some cool stuff with this new data, and please let us know how we can make it more useful if you have any ideas. Thanks and have a great day.